Hi everyone, welcome to Brennick Builds. My name's Brett and I hope you're all doing okay today. We have a great video for you today with an unboxing of some small sets that we've had delivered from Amazon. Then we'll be focusing on one of them, doing a build, and then there'll be a review of the set at the end. So without further ado, let's start with the unboxing. Okay, let's just get all these out. And put that box down on the floor. There we go. Right, so to begin with, we have set 77242, which is the Ferrari SF24 from the Speed Champions range. We have the Flying Ford Anglia from Harry Potter. Set number 76424. And we have, again from the Speed Champions range, the Red Bull RB20, which is set 77243. On our Facebook page, which is linked in the description below, we set a poll up, and surprisingly enough, the winner of that poll with 100% of the votes was the Harry Potter Ford Anglia, which is the one that we're going to build. So what we'll do is we'll get this out, get it on the table, and we'll do a build of it. It will be sped up for you, and then at the end we shall do a review. Okay, so we've done the build, and we can see that it's very nice. It was very nice to build. It only took about 30 to 35 minutes to build, and you've got all these nice little features on it. You've even got, in the boot, you've even got a little suitcase in there, and you've got Ron in one side and Harry in the other, and you can take them out. It's very easy. All you got to do is just take the roof off and pull them out, and you can put the roof back on. Like I say, it's a really nice build, and for the price $10.99 from Amazon, you can't really go wrong. So it's a lovely model, and we would give it 9 out of 10. So yeah, thumbs up for this one. Stay tuned for more videos from us. We've got the 2 Formula 1 cars to build. They'll just be build videos coming up in the next few days. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon.